Hello traders, it's Nikos here. I hope you're well. In this video I just want to explain the importance of the last lot management. For this video I will use the Euro-Yen example, our short trade we took in May during our live trading room sessions on the 4-hourly chart. You cannot see the setup here, you can only see the daily setup, but most of you should remember the 4-hourly setup. Let me try to scroll back. Here we go. We used a stop after the first and later on the second setup, a stop of about 100 pips. We had a history, we had our daily 1 to 3 setup in combination with our 4-hourly setups. We took an entry, and as you can see, the short position after almost 2 months is still in with over 1,000 pips. During the morning it hit the 1,100 pips profit level. The reason for that is we managed the trade first on the 4-hourly chart. Later on we took some intraday trades against the main trend, hedged this short up, but managed the last position in the end on this daily chart. We are following the 36 EMA, and because the trend is strong, there's no reason for us to come out of this trade right now. We can hedge the position up. Today I took a long position to demonstrate how to hedge, but the main short is still running with over 1,000, as I said, pips in profit. Now the long against the main trend is in profit with about 20 pips only. The price could retrace back to the 36, giving us 200-300 pips, maybe not on that long. And if the price bounces in this area and moves later on lower, we will keep, of course, our swing short open. That means we milk the market even on the retracement on lower time frames. Now I get some nice emails from traders and members, and many times I have the question what to do with our last intraday or swing trading position or lot. Let's use this example. I took this screenshot before the morning session, the London session. Now here we are up to 800 pips in profit on the Euro US dollar and the Euro Yen, with only 2 of our remaining lots from this month's live trading room sessions, and we expect a retracement to the upside. Now actually seeing an intraday trade turning into a swing trade and then all these pips moving in our favor is incredible and make us feel great, but there is still a problem, especially for new traders. Not knowing what to do with all the profits on your account is a nice problem, but still a problem. Why is that a problem, you might ask? Because every time you sit in front of your screen not knowing how to act or react on a trade makes you feel kind of weak. It's like you're missing something. On one hand, you know that you did a great job by following the rules of our Spartan trading system. You know that you had the discipline to leave one lot open in order to maximize your profits in a major trend. You also still trail your stops by the book, and you know that you are in a win to win situation for days or even for weeks now. But on the other hand, you feel unsure about your remaining positions, and that is okay. The factor of stress is much smaller now, of course. Don't forget that these are winning trades, and whatever you do, you will make profits with these remaining lots. Now the fear of losing a part of these profits is still around you. Yeah, the price will retrace at some point, and the little greedy devils are probably still dancing in your head. But remember, try to remember the day you placed these trades. Look into your trading journal in case you don't remember what exactly happened, and ask yourself one question first. Did I trade on a smaller time frame like the 5-minute chart, or did I take this trade on a higher time frame like the 1-hourly or 4-hourly chart? The second question would be, was this an intraday trade that turned into a swing trade, or did I place a swing trade in the first place by not only using a higher time frame for my entry but also a much bigger stop? The solution in case you placed a swing trade position using your 1-hourly or 4-hourly chart, or even your daily chart, is easy. Just use your trend lines in combination with your EMA 36 and trail your stop according to the classic and basic rules. An entry on the 1-hourly chart can now be managed on the 4-hourly chart or even on a daily chart, as long as the volatility is high and the trend strong. It's really up to you. Never widen your stop, only trail it with a trend and in the profit zone. You can still trade against the main position, like here. Look at this scenario. And hedge your trade up if you like the combination of intraday and swing trading. Again, I use this chart to show and demonstrate what I mean. Look at this 1-hourly higher low. Price moved up on a lower time frame. I hedged my short position. So in case this trend line breaks again, and that is a huge 1, 2, 3, I would look for short setups again and come out of the hedged long position with the remaining lot. Making decisions for your remaining lot in a scenario where you placed your trades on a 5-minute or even a 1-minute chart with a stop of 15 to 25 pips are a little bit harder. The reason being is that your mind is focused on a quick and fast trade here, but all time frames are showing you a much bigger potential now. The price moves fast and sometimes unexpected in your favor. So instead of just closing your last lot in a hurry with some good profits, you have to think bigger now. Do your top-down approach again, and if you see the price moving in your direction on all time frames, make your decision and stick to it. The first decision could be that you decide to manage your trade and the remaining lot on the time frame you placed it. That means you look for your trend lines and your EMA 36 on the particular time frame. If your support and resistance areas break, you would close your trade according to the rules and forget about everything else. The second scenario would be different. You see the potential of much more profits, and you like the idea of more pips in your account with a remaining lot on the long run. Again, do your top-down approach and try to hold your last lot by trailing your position on the 1-hourly chart first. That is your 1-hourly chart. Again, please do not widen your stop and don't trail it yet. Wait for a new 1 to 3 setup on the 1 hourly chart in your favor. Let the price create a new low. If we talk about short trades, of course, a new high for long trades, and only trail your stop after a new low is confirmed. Just an example. Let's say you're in on the 1 hourly chart or the 4 hourly chart. Trend line breaks. That is a low. That is your new low. You have your resistance lines. Everything is still pointing down. Switch to your 4 hourly charts after a day or two in times of high volatility. We have high volatility here, and you can see the 36 is holding and bouncing. It's just an example to trail the position. Again, here use the EMA 36 always as your guide in combination with your trend lines. Draw your trend lines. Make sure the trend line and the 36 EMA is close by. There will be cases where the chart starts looking funny. If you can handle the pressure, for whatever reason, I mean, just take out the half of your remaining lot and just leave the other half open. This is a good exercise, especially for traders new to the system. Of course, here the chart does not look funny, it's steady and trending. Funny is something like that, it's a little bit ranging here. But for now, the position still looks really volatile and is sliding on the 36 EMA. Of course, to master these skills you will need to practice a little bit. It's not difficult, but you need to get used to it. Always keep in mind that you find yourself in a win-to-win situation when following the last lot policy. Apply the Spartan Trader Academy risk and money management rules 100% on each and every trade you take, and treat your last lot as a bonus lot. I said it probably a million times, but this bonus lot policy will make a huge difference on your trading account on the long run. You just have to trust me on this. Okay, by the way, I want to congratulate my students and Spartan members for their persistence and passion and discipline. Some traders found it hard to leave the trade open for longer than a day or even an hour. Now I see the same people sending me charts, results and emails telling me about trades with hundreds of pips profit. And that is the part that makes me happy, and I feel like I have succeeded with at least some of you. Yeah, that is the way to manage the last lot. If you know the system, I think you will understand what I mean. Just watch this video again, listen to what I said, and try to stick to the rules. Okay? Have a great day, and as I always say, happy and healthy trading. I'll catch up with you tomorrow in the live trading session. Bye.